Think your morning oatmeal is keeping your heart strong after 65? Think again. Millions of seniors are making deadly mistakes that could skyrocket cholesterol, spike blood pressure, and put their hearts at risk, without even knowing it. But here's the game changer. You can transform oatmeal into your heart's ultimate ally with a few simple tweaks. Stay glued, because we're exposing the 10 shocking mistakes seniors make and how to fix them. Number 8 will blow your mind. Picture this. You're sipping coffee, enjoying a warm bowl of oatmeal, thinking you're doing your heart a favor. After all, oatmeal's the golden child of breakfast, right? The American Heart Association swears by it, claiming oats can slash cholesterol and fend off heart disease, the number one killer of Americans over 65, striking 1 in 4 seniors. But hold on, what if your trusty bowl is secretly sabotaging your health? From hidden sugars to cooking blunders, everyday mistakes are turning this superfood into a heart health hazard. You might be wondering why your cholesterol's creeping up or why you feel sluggish despite your healthy breakfast. You're not alone, and we're here to set things right. Today, we're unveiling the 10 oatmeal mistakes seniors across the USA are making, and the jaw-dropping fixes that'll make your heart sing. Get ready to rethink breakfast and protect your ticker like never before. Mistake 1. Falling for fake oats. The first mistake is a sneaky one. Grabbing instant or flavored oats off the supermarket shelf. These aren't the heart-saving oats you think. Packed with sugar, sodium, and artificial junk, they're processed to death, stripping away the fiber that lowers cholesterol. A 2024 Mayo Clinic report warns that some instant oats have as much sugar as a candy bar. Fix: go for whole rolled oats or steel-cut oats. 100% pure, unprocessed goodness. They're loaded with beta-glucan, a fiber proven to cut LDL cholesterol by up to 20%. Check labels for no added sugar, and make your heart proud. Swap fake oats for the real deal, and you're already winning. Mistake 2. Drowning it in sugar. Love drizzling honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar over your oats. You're pouring heart trouble into your bowl. Excess sugar spikes triglycerides, a dangerous fat linked to heart attacks. The CDC says 1 in 3 seniors eats enough added sugar to double their heart disease risk. That's not breakfast. It's a ticking time bomb. Fix: sweeten smarter with nature's candy. Toss in fresh blueberries or sliced strawberries. Antioxidants galore to shield your arteries. A pinch of cinnamon adds a sweet kick and stabilizes blood sugar. Your heart will thank you, and your taste buds will be dancing. Mistake 3. Picking the wrong milk. Cooking oatmeal with whole milk or cream might feel indulgent, but it's loading your bowl with saturated fats that clog arteries. Even some healthy plant milks, like sweetened oat or almond milk, sneak in sugars that mess with your heart. Seniors can't afford this mistake. Fix: use unsweetened almond milk, skim milk, or plain water for a creamy, heart-safe base. Look for 0 sugar on plant milk labels to avoid hidden traps. This simple switch keeps your oatmeal lean and your heart clean. Who knew milk could make such a difference? Mistake 4. Topping overload. Piling on nuts, dried fruit, or granola feels healthy, but it's a calorie explosion. A small handful of walnuts adds 200 calories, and sugary dried cranberries are no better than dessert. For seniors, extra weight is a heart attack waiting to happen, with 70% of those over 65 at risk for obesity-related heart issues. Fix: top wisely with heart heroes. Sprinkle a teaspoon of chia seeds for omega-3s or a few fresh raspberries for fiber. Measure toppings to keep calories low and benefits high. Your bowl stays delicious, and your heart stays light. Mistake 5. Butter blunders. Adding butter or oil to make oatmeal richer or prevent sticking is a heart health disaster. 1 tablespoon of butter packs 7 grams of saturated fat, raising bad cholesterol faster than you can stir. Seniors, your arteries can't handle this. Fix: cook with water or unsweetened milk in a non-stick pan. For flavor, stir in a dab of almond butter after cooking. Less fat, more protein. This trick keeps your oatmeal silky and your heart happy. Say goodbye to butter and hello to health. Mistake 6. Monster portions. Think bigger is better? Not with oatmeal. Oversized portions pile on calories, leading to weight gain that strains your heart. A cup of cooked oats is 150 calories. But many seniors scoop double that, especially when hungry. Extra pounds are a heart killer for 1 in 2 seniors. Fix. Stick to half a cup dry oats per serving, about 1 cup cooked. Pair with a protein boost, like a boiled egg or Greek yogurt, to stay satisfied. Use a measuring cup to keep portions in check. Small servings, big heart wins. Mistake 7. Missing the superfood boost. Here's a shocker. Plain oatmeal is good, but it's not enough to save your heart. Many seniors skip add-ins that could supercharge their breakfast, missing out on game-changing nutrients. This is the mistake that'll leave you stunned. Fix. Power up with heart-protecting extras. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for omega-3s, proven by Harvard research to lower blood pressure. Sprinkle in a few walnuts, or a dash of turmeric for anti-inflammatory magic. These boosts turn oatmeal into a heart health juggernaut. Mistake 8. Burning out nutrients. Boiling oatmeal on high heat might save time, but it's torching the nutrients that protect your heart. Overcooking kills antioxidants and fiber, leaving you with a gummy mess that tempts you to add sugar or fat. Your heart deserves better. To add sugar or fat. Your heart deserves better. Fix. Simmer oats on low heat with a 2-to-1 water to oats ratio for rolled oats, or 3-to-1 for steel cut. Stir gently to preserve beta-glucan and antioxidants. This gives you creamy, nutrient-packed oatmeal that's a heart health home run. Mistake 9. Oatmeal-only breakfast. Eating oatmeal alone might seem healthy, but it leaves you hungry, craving sugary snacks by noon. A 2024 circulation study shows balanced meals cut heart disease risk 25% more than single-food diets. Seniors, don't fall into this trap. Fix. Balance your bowl with protein and healthy fats. Add a hard-boiled egg, a scoop of Greek yogurt, or a few almonds. This stabilizes blood sugar, curbs cravings, and keeps your heart strong all day. Breakfast just got a whole lot smarter. Mistake 10. Hidden sodium bombs. Those convenient oatmeal packets? They're often loaded with sodium, spiking blood pressure and stressing your heart. The FDA warns that high sodium fuels 1 in 4 heart disease cases in seniors. Don't let a healthy breakfast betray you. Fix. Choose plain whole oats with 0 sodium. If you need instant oats, pick low-sodium options under 100 milligrams per serving. Flavor with cinnamon or vanilla extract instead of salt. Your blood pressure will thank you, and your heart will too. Bonus tip. Make it a habit. Here's the ultimate secret. Oatmeal only saves your heart if you stick with it. Sporadic healthy eating or switching to sugary cereals undoes all your hard work. The American Heart Association says 3 to 5 weekly servings of whole grains can slash heart disease risk by 30%. Fix. Commit to oatmeal 3 to 4 times a week, alternating with heart-smart options like whole grain toast or yogurt parfaits. Prep overnight oats in a mason jar for busy mornings. Consistency is your heart's new best friend, and it's easier than you think. Ready to turn oatmeal into your heart's superpower? Grab the full list of these 10 mistakes and a free heart-healthy oatmeal recipe guide linked below. Don't let these slip-ups steal your vitality. Your heart deserves to thrive. Craving more life-changing tips to stay strong and vibrant in your golden years? Stick with us for weekly secrets that'll keep you shining. Click the link, try these fixes, and share your heart-smart breakfast wins with us. We're rooting for you. Here's to a heart that beats strong and alive.